there was a turning point in your fitness journey when you said enough was enough. When was that moment? Take us back there.
I worked with a guy who had a heart attack at 61 years old, died on his first job in the morning. So we were in Mexico after he passed. We were at a wedding for a guy I work with. And I said to my wife, I'm done.
Wow.
I'm done. I'm not going back. And she said, let's do it together.
So we got two parts right here. That's a really interesting part. So the first time when you came with us, because this was 2 times that you've been with us, right?
Yes.
Gotcha.
First time was just trying to get healthy.
Yeah.
But I never had my eating mind.
Oh, so
And
you
it
came
wasn't
in with
working.
us. You were with us for about a year, maybe 6 or 7 months or something like that.
It wasn't.
You exercise and you really couldn't hang on with the consistency.
Right, because I wasn't disciplined.
Gotcha.
After that, your whole mindset changes.
That's the raw thing about retention with us too, because we don't like handcuff you here.
No.
Like, our goal is basically to like give you a program, you exercise, we give you the nutritional plan, but it's up to you to really do the work, but we don't pressure or anything like that. So when you took a little break, well, we kept following up with you. We were still cool on social media.
Right.
And then at point, you just reached back out and was like, hey, I'm ready to come back in. That was amazing. But the turning point for that second part was your coworker passing away and you also having what we call a fat trip.
Correct.
So your mindset when you were in that moment, when you saw your coworker passed away, what was your mindset like? How did you think that you could change your own self?
So he wasn't like in bad shape. He just smoked a lot. So if that could happen to him, that could happen to anyone.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? 61 years old is young.
Wow. Yes, absolutely. When you worked out and you started to get back into plan, what do we do? Like, how do we start you from where you were the second time? How do we start you back? How did you get back on track?
Well, Roy kicked my butt the first time back.
Yeah.
It just, every trainer does something different. And you take a little bit from it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Your classes are diabolical. You burn calories, you build strength.
Yes.
So you take from each trainer and just apply it in your workout.
Absolutely. So how did you do with diet?
So diet was, after that had happened, the diet actually came easy.
Yes.
So I started doing research.
Yeah.
I've talked to you about foods, protein.
You logged in your nutrition.
I started logging into my nutrition. I'm old school, so I write it down in a notebook. You know what I mean?
Some of our clients are, but our system is so super simple. You just press a button. You just got to follow it. But I know sometimes it's easier to just write things down.
And the meal prepping makes it so much easier.
Yes,
so I'm big on meal prepping.
Yeah.
Like I'll meal prep Sunday for the whole week for both me and my wife. Right. And she's been doing her journey parallel with mine.
So how do you balance your busy work schedule with this?
So my work schedule. I get a 6-month schedule, so I try to, if I'm working night shift, I try to come in during the day. If I work a day shift, I come in at nighttime. I try not to miss too many weekend classes. Also, you got to remember, you got to have some time with the family too.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So, Tuesday nights, date night.
Yes.
With the wife.
Yes.
But, 4 or 5 days working out.
Tuesday night.
Tuesday night.
Okay.
It's not shouting out anything, but trivia night, Dave and Buster's.
Okay, there we go. So you made exercise and nutrition a non-negotiable.
It's a priority.
Yeah, why?
Because I don't want to die at 51, 52.
Gotcha.
I want to live as long as I can and be as healthy as I can.
How much weight did you lose since you came back?
So since I came back, probably about 60 pounds.
60 pounds, 50. We got the numbers, so we're going to...
But since I first started, 130 pounds.
130 pounds? Wow. That is amazing. What do you have to say to the person that's watching this and they're on the fence and they're saying they have a busy schedule, they can't commit to some? What do you have to say to that person locally that's in Camden County, Gloucester County, or Cumberland County? What do you have to say to that person?
Don't wait, make it your priority.
There it is. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark.